ES3 is an experienced team of third-party logistics experts serving the consumer packaged goods manufacturing industry. At 1.5 million square feet, its warehouse in York, Pennsylvania is the largest automated food warehouse in the world. ES3 has the capability to store up to 400,000 pallets of non-perishable food items at any one time. It ships approximately 5 million cases per week for clients in the food service industry, and so must adhere to strict sanitation regulations. Dust is unacceptable for ES3, its customers, suppliers, employees, and auditors who ensure industry compliance. Keeping dust levels under control had become a major operational issue and expense for ES3.
We are the stewards for more than 60 manufacturers for their product. We go through numerous inspections from industry agencies like the FDA and the AIB audits, and we also go through individual manufacturer and retailer audits.
We have a very large retail customer, over 400 stores, and they audit us weekly. They noticed a lot of dust on the cases to the point where they asked us to clean them multiple times a week.
There was a significant amount of dust, both airborne and on flat surfaces in this part of the facility. In fact, the haze level was so high it was hard to see from one side of the facility to the other.
ES3 needed a solution that would provide the level of dust removal it required to create a healthier environment for employees and keep the building food safe, inspection ready, and clean. One of ES3's largest clients solved a similar environmental issue in its European facility by installing a Zehnder Clean Air Solutions system with great success. Hoping to solve its worst problem first, ES3 installed a Zehnder system in the pallet storage section of the warehouse, which is next to a large product storage area.
Since ES3 has installed these Zehnder filtration units, we've seen approximately an 80% reduction in the dust levels in that space. The return on that investment has been threefold. One, we have a customer who has a very high level of satisfaction. Two, the workspace our almost 1,400 employees work in does not have dust levels that could become a safety concern. And three, we've been able to redeploy sanitation labor to other more critical areas of the building.
After the Zehnder units were installed, we began to get positive feedback within 1 or 2 weeks of installation. Working in a dust-free environment improves employee morale, gives them a cleaner environment to work in, and also keeps the customer very happy.
The mission statement of ES3 is to be the premier supply chain network on the planet. And one of the key components of that mission is to leverage innovative technologies to eliminate loss and waste. And that's clearly what the Zehnder air filtration system does for us.